Hi guys, in this video we will see how to print multiple PDF pages in single sheet. If you want to print 3 to 4 pages in a single page, then here are the process. Open any PDF page which you want to print in one sheet. Here from the top right corner, this is the PDF. We will now print it 3 to 4 sheets in one single page. From the top right corner you will find the print icon. Click on it. You may press Ctrl+P to open print wizard. Here from the left side you will see choose your printer, number of copies, layout, some other, and here click on more settings. Click on it. Here you will find paper size, a scale %, choose paper size, A4 legal or any as per your choice, fit to printable area or actual size, choose here, and here you will find pages per sheet. Here available 1, 2, 4, 6 and 9. If you want to choose 2, then you can see 2 pages in single sheet. If you choose 4 sheets, then you can see preview 4 pages will print in single page. Pages per sheet also available up to 9 pages, and finally click on print.